A clean motorcycle not only looks good, but also helps in delivering an optimum performance. Dry cleaning your motorcycle is an environment-friendly way to keep it ride-ready without wasting precious water. Here is how to do it. The things you will need are a dry wash solution spray can, a dry wash spray gun, and a microfiber cloth. These are available at a Royal Enfield authorized service center near you. First, take 100 ml of water and add 10 ml of dry wash solution in it. Maintain 5 to 6 bar pressure in the spray gun. Keep 2 feet distance between the spray gun and the motorcycle. Apply foam on the painted and other surfaces evenly. Clean the foam with the microfiber cloth. Finally, wipe the painted and metal surfaces with a dry microfiber cloth. Make sure you wipe and dry only with an original microfiber cloth. Remember not to use normal cloth for cleaning. The motorcycle needs to be wiped immediately after application of dry wash solution spray. Do not allow it to dry. Also, do not perform this activity under direct sunlight or when the motorcycle is hot. Your motorcycle is now ready to shine through your ride. Keep riding.